penduk jaja no.
The state Congress leaders yesterday announced the candidacy of Jonathan Syiem for the upcoming MDC elections. Syiem will contest the KHADC elections from the Sohryngkham MDC constituency, which is scheduled for 21st February 2025. Additionally, MPCC has released the first list of candidates for the 15 MDC seats in the KHADC and 11 members for the GHADC elections.
So my objective is as a youth, because as we have seen in the entire state in Meghalaya, in the entire India, we can say 65% of the youth population are under the 35 age. So now it's a time for the youth to come forward to take part in politics. So sometimes some people say that politics is a dirty game, but we should understand this. Politics is not a dirty game. It's a game for, it is a place that we can make policy.
The Mullah